everybody, this is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Well guys, I am here with week number 3 to the hashtag Spooky or Sweet Halloween Collab 2022 that is hosted by Kathy's Favorite Things here on YouTube. Hey girl. And Rebecca Creates. Hey girl. And I have had the best time and feel so thankful that I was able to participate in this. You know, if it's got something to do with Halloween, I'm all in it. I'm just all in. And so this is the 3rd week, and what we had to do was an altered item or 3D project. So I decided to do a 3D project. And I've had this die for a very long time, and I got this off of Allie, and this is a Sequin storage tray die from Andy's store. And there's tons and tons and tons and tons of dies in here. And this is what I created, and I'm kind of having a hard time showing you guys, but I wanted to have something to put all of my fun sequins in. So here's the base, and you can see my skeletons all the way around. And then it's got a tray. And then what you do is you make all these little boxes. And it's super, super fun. And it could just sit right on your desk anywhere. And this actually comes off. And so you can see my spiders and spider webs. Super fun. And then what I decided to do was put my Halloween sequins in here. And then I glued what sequence was in each individual box. As you can see here, there's the ghost and bat and cat, witch, my tombstones, which I love, spider webs and pumpkins. And I did it in black and red to match the gold of the spider web. And so like this one, I'm thinking, okay, where's my tombstones? I see the tombstone, and I open the little box, and yep, there's all my tombstones. So this little sequence box was super cute. And like here, I put witches here, a little witch sequence there, and ta-da! Well, I've got a little bit of every kind of sequence in there, but there's like the witches. And you can see what the tray looks like right there. And they just fit right in there. And I really had a good time with this. Now, I will not lie to you. It was a struggle because there was so many pieces to cut out and kind of figure out. But it was so worth the ending. And I love. So when I sit this on my desk, I can leave it all year around and put all my sequins. But I think you could use this for any kind of theme or anything. And like, let's see. There's my, let me show you. And here's my cobwebs. And look how much it holds. A ton, ton, ton. So this is my project share for the 3rd week of, and I gotta make sure that my lid, this kind of just keeps all the boxes from falling out. And that's what it looks like. I think it's so cute. Let me know, guys, what you think. And I will leave the link to Kathy's Favorite Things and Rebecca Creates down below, along with the other very, very talented ladies that is in this collab with their links, and that way you can go check them out. So thank you guys so very much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.